Hello, I'm Jordan. I'm a tech trainer and support specialist here at Rosie. Today I'll be showing you how to build a standard mobile nursing cart. These instructions are valid for the Rosie4 and Rosebud VC. Now let's get started.
First, begin by carefully inspecting the packaging and its components for any damage. If there is any damage, please stop and call Rosie Support. We find it helpful to organize the components in your workstation and place the base on the floor. To begin, remove the battery and the monitor from its packaging. The battery compartment can be found on the bottom of the monitor. To insert the battery, make sure that the blue mark is facing the left side of the monitor. Push it in until the green tab clicks into place. Next, locate the basket and twist the spacers onto the basket. Then slide the pole through the spacers, making sure the monitor mounts at the top. Next, slide the cap over the bottom of the pole. Remove the spacer and firmly insert the pole into the base. Take the bolt and washer provided and secure the base to the pole. To secure the handle, place on each side of the pole and screw it into place. Remove and retain the screws, the metal back plate that comes pre-installed on the mount on top of the pole. Place the monitor on top, making sure the hole lines up with the pegs on the metal base. Reattach the metal backplate with original screws to hold the monitor into place and tighten the screws. To mount the tympanic thermometer, use an Allen wrench number 4 to loosen the screws on the metal arm. Then, place on each side of the pole and tighten the screws. You may need someone to help you hold this in place. Next, we will install the oral thermometer. Begin by inserting the blue sheath into the well on the monitor. Press down until it clicks into place. Now plug the thermometer into the back of the monitor. Then place the oral probe into the blue well. Please place the probe covers into the slot provided. To install the BP hoses and cuffs, attach your NIBP hose to the left side of the monitor. Attach the blood pressure cuff to the NIBP quick release hose. To release your NIBP hose, do not bend or pull, simply pull back the quick release tab to remove the cuff. Next, attach the SPO2 cable on the left side of the monitor, making sure to line the arrows up. Take the finger cuff attachment and click the blue end into the cable. Close the clear cover over the connected pieces. Finally, plug the power cord into the back of the monitor.